so sexy, y'all.
I don't know.
Hello everyone, I am Sarah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally guys, the moment that I've been waiting for is here and I am so excited to unbox this thing. And as you can see in the title box below, we'll be unboxing the newest iPhone 11 Pro Max. So my husband got this as a pre-order. So this box or this item came all the way from China. So it took days to be delivered here in the house, and I received this on October 1st, Tuesday around 5 p.m. And I also received the trade-in kit for my iPhone 6s Plus. I've been using that for more than 3 years. So they will pay $120 for my old phone. And I also got, husband bought this screen protector and a case for my phone. And this is very cute. And it's clear here and transparent here at the back. And on the side, it's color red, and here on this part is black. Okay, so let's get it started. Let's unbox this box. Okay. So this is it guys, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So, kunin natin siya. So here it is guys, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I got this color silver, and this is 256 gigabytes. Yan.